Sa pagpasok ng bagong taon, ay may panibagong achievement at blessing para sa Kim Pao na sina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino. Sa naging recent post ng ABS-CBN, ay ibinahagi nga nila na pasok sa top 40 Philippine programs in 2024 ng Trend Rod, ang thriller series ng Kim Pao, na Linlang. At di lang yun, dahil pasok din sa top 40, ang Philippine adaptation ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, na nasa number 2 spot. Ayon nga sa naging honest review ng Trend Rod para sa Linlang. Kim Chiu as an adulterous wife in this series, showcased her versatility, as she truly embodied Juliana's scheming and outright infuriating tendencies. While for Paolo and JM, this drama not only challenged them emotionally, but physically, as the storyline also required them to do some stunts as professional boxers. At para sa honest review ng Trend Rod para sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim PH, the Philippine adaptation did not disappoint. Its story was able to remain largely faithful to the source material, while also injecting Filipino values, customs, and humor. Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino were also able to give a different chemistry, very far from their intense characters in Linlang. Ipinapakita nga lamang neto, ang husay at galing ni Kimi at Daddy Paolo bilang mga artista at individual. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.